Hello guys and welcome back. Today I will show you how you can run a ECU test on your Vauxhall car. ECU stands for Engine Control Unit and is the brain of your car where all the error codes are stored. It is very simple to run this pedal test. All you need to do is to press and hold both gas and brake pedals as I do in this video. Once you do this, hold the pedals and turn the ignition key to the first position. Wait for a few seconds until the errors will start showing on dash. All these errors you are seeing indicates a malfunction and are stored in the brain of your car. Every error code indicates a particular defect and could lead to a major failure of your car. You can see a specialist if you feel so. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any question don't forget to leave your comment, and I will do my best to give you a response. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.